Pag hindi po na-absorb ng katawan nyo, namamanhid ang buong katawan because the oxygen and the food that is being carried by the blood hindi po makapasok sa katawan. The water of your body is the carrier. Now, let's talk about the diabetic people. Ang diabetic people po, malapot po ang dugo namin. Kaya nga po, if the blood cannot enter the muscle, actually, lahat po ng kinain nyo na digest ng stomach nyo from the small intestines up to the liver and the kidney, the whole of this is the internal organs of a human body. Pag hindi po na-absorb ng katawan nyo, namamanhid ang buong katawan because the oxygen and the food that is being carried by the blood hindi po makapasok sa katawan. Pag malapot po ang dugo, and imagine diabetic people is 10% of the total population ng Pilipinas. Kaya po dito I am telling mga diabetes, talagang uminom kayo ng spirulina plus whatever the doctor will recommend to you. Ako nga, normal ang blood sugar ko. Ang nakakatakot pa po sa diabetes, putol paa. Isa mang anumang maramdaman mo na sugat na maliit, yan na po lalo po sa paa. Diretso na po yan, naputol ng paa nyo hanggang tuhod. You take spirulina, I highly recommend. Spirulina is one of the best food supplement.